to slap. The place come to a bank for a high. I take it back, boy. He just told look what I say, my brother. I need my check.
I'm the best at telling jokes, by the way, Petunia.
Not as good as me.
What makes you say that?
Jay, you said that's really no one see
Done. We tell you say we go start by 5. We start like that, Abi. We say we go start by 5. We start by 5, Abi. Now so if we contest election, once we win anything what we promise now, we go do amo. Who said a lie there? Are you from the house of Linus? Nigerians, they can doubt us. That's why our politicians, they don't like give us, we they believe them, but we when they tell the truth, now they believe us. And for those of you just meeting me for the first time or listening to us on radio, and my name still remains on Semai Fekehia. Even the boy where you were going on let a month of our yeah, me no sumi no de ole yes sumo and now let's at the end of the party. But boy, this country to rule not be your, they don't go testify now. Only to do this show, bros, they don't confuse you. He tell me so, boy, say, Sas, Buhari, they try you. See, I don't know why Buhari get here problem. They don't sell ticket. You don't know when they ask you, picking Kevin, you don't buy tickets. He said, because you don't buy now, no school fees for you. Daddy, you know this small, this now, they children, very funny children. He said, but daddy, you are my daddy. And I said, but in this case, I'm your daddy, but you have to buy tickets. He said, you think I'm lying? Go and ask your mommy. She bought 2. One for herself and one for your sister. And I tell people, I understand. I don't know, our politicians, very wonderful people. They promise us good roads, they know they give us. They promise us light, they know they give us. Then they promise us, but the thing when they know they promise us, like they do for us. They give us disease when they not promise us. Obasanjo come give us which disease? Bird flu. Oh boy, like that guy. Are you the minister of disease? You are spontaneous with disease. You could not call any of that is bird flu. I hope say you not get ammo. Yaradua come and not give us disease, Abi. Now he die come off a road. As good luck enter, my wife advise him, honey, you have to give these people disease. They like disease. They like disease. Good luck give us 2. Which one and which one? Ebola and which one? And Lassa fever. Oga, you are current. I will make you minister of disease when I become president. Thank you. I'm not getting ready done. As good Lord give us 2 diseases like this, 2. He used 1. They do it 110 on the other disease make cannot come back again though. Buhari come, he no one give us disease. He's sorry for us. He's sick. He go London. Now Lai Mohammed go advise and okay, Baba. These Nigerians, they like disease. Give them something. Give them something. As he come back, now he give us waiting. So we don't know what the next president won't bring or give us again. I don't know where somebody go come with bitter cola problem during Ebola. They say if you chop bitter cola, say Ebola go run. Oh boy, trust Lagosians. My landlord ate 12 bags of bitter cola. Ebola don't go. The guy still the hospital with the try cure from bitter cola problem. After that one, they come with the salt and water. Salt and water waiting. Salt trust Lagosians. They say Lagos never sleep. Oh. Lagos is always awake. 4 a.m. Lagos don't wake up. People wait up, they go work when they hear the information, say salt and water, they cure Ebola. They go ask again, they go baffle. My mama hardly called me for phone. I was shocked. My mommy called me that morning. He said, oh, Sas, I said, ma. He said, where you there? I said, mommy, I there so. He said, where you they go to there? I said, they go radio by 4. I suppose they comedy appear with the door 4. He said, you don't bath? I said, yes. He said, you put salt? I said, no. He said, you go bath again? No. He said, enter kitchen. I said, mommy, I there kitchen. He said, put pot for fire. I said, mommy, I don't put her. He said, put water. I said, mommy, I don't put. He said, turn her 7 times. I said, mommy, I the turner. He said, add salt. I said, mommy, I don't add salt. He said, add crayfish. I said, mommy, I don't add crayfish. He said, add tomatoes. I said, mommy, I don't put. He said, put curry. I said, mommy, I don't put. He said, put thyme. I said, mommy, thyme there inside. He said, add small egusi, put them inside. I said, mommy, I don't put. He said, carry enter bedroom to go bath. When I take a step, you hear bang. Hello. I said, mommy, na jollof rice with that too. Trust Lagosians that period. I enter inside bus. I was confused. I was shocked to ask the driver. I said, driver, am I inside restaurant or bar 32 inside bus? See where people they smell like food. One girl sit down near me. She they smell like I said, you must be from Akwa Ibom State. Thank you very much. God bless you. My name is Melo Saz. That's my time.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Timaya is one musician I loved so much when he came out. 2005, when Timaya came out, I loved Timaya so much. If you follow Timaya very well, you notice that Timaya's first 5, 6, 7 songs, you will never hear anything vulgar. There was no sexy ladies in the music, no uku, no woman. It was just making sense. Either Timaya would talk about himself, introduction, or he would talk about problem happening in his place. He always makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take you on a ride about Timaya. Let's talk about Timaya. Now, I'll be playing those songs from beginning till now. You see that Nigerians, when we need something, they beg God. When we get out, we go forget God. Listen to Timaya's first song, introduction, which is the main thing to do. He introduced himself. That is uncommon sense. Listen to first song. Timaya, sing higher. Did you hear that? After introducing himself finished, he came back and told us of a tragedy that happened in Bayelsa. We pitied him, we loved him so much. Listen to the next song. No, DJ. Ewo. Buhari. Number 2. Bayelsa. Oh, Buhari. When Jonathan Day, when this guy played this song, you get them all. Now, number 2 song, you go there here say he not mention anything woman. Listen. Waiting happen for Bayelsa, now you won't play now. Waiting happen for Bayelsa, very tragic, and we pity him. We have, oh, that was where we started loving him. DJ, let's go. Mama, dem papa, dem mama, dem papa, dem mama, dem papa, dem papa, What is DJ? After he sing these 2 tracks, he can't get fame, but no money yet. He needed to support himself, get money. What did he do? He started selling plantain. He still came back and told us, listen to the next song. Plantain boy. Will they feel about it? Now, after he said plantain, he not still blow. Because for this life, only one person will blow you. Go heaven, go air, go babala, go anywhere. Only Jehovah will blow you. What did Timaya do? He made God go mad. Listen, the next song. DJ, hold it down. After he met God Oglogo Maya, one result is assured. Timaya blew. When he blew, he came back and told us again. Timaya don't blow. Timaya don't blow. I don't blow. Hold it down. Hold it down. Timaya came back and told us. He told us something. We didn't pay attention. Nobody paid attention. We thought it was music. He was begging us, hold me now. 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 Hold it. We not ask Timaya, hold you from what? Nobody asked. We supposed to have asked Timaya from what? Now, when we asked, it was late. Timaya from what? DJ, from what? Hold you from Muku. Muku. Bring it down, DJ. I know say if you are into woman, if you the womanize, it can only take you to one place. Take it or leave it. If you the womanize, it can take you to one place. Where did you take Timaya to? Listen, Timaya, where? Where do you land? Sanko. Bring it down, DJ. I know say when you go Nigerian prison, Kri come back. If you go Nigerian prison, come back, you go humble. No matter insult, when they insult you, you must conquer. Anything when they do, you must conquer. Listen to the next song. The boy no fire and conquer. Say I shot and conquer. He don't humble. What is that? All these things, now during Jonathan. That time my yearly they pay 10 million one show. Everything they go well, Baba don't come. Buhari is here. He don't hold him man and now he can't get sense. Wait till the next song where he sing. When Buhari come. I said when money not take. Money don't finish. Money don't finish. Now, the next song where the man sing to show he said things don't really bad. Listen to the next song. Pity for us, oh. Pity for us, oh. Pity for us, oh. In the bed now. Hold it down. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Triple. You enjoy your night. God bless you. The Bible will change. Now, when you see Jesus Christ, now they'll call him Bros J. If you see Peter and Apiro, everything will change. So imagine scripture like Psalm 23, very popular scripture. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures, restore my soul. The Wafi Bible version. Now, Baba God, now my maga, he did pay that white. As in, they supply every. He make me lie down for where everything is soft. Unto OEB. Another scripture, Psalm 30, verse 5. Weeping may endure for the night, but joy shall come in the morning. The Wafi Bible version. So now let's say you go say, Stamara go pronounce the Papa name. Even though you cry buckets full, when they break, Baba God will make you smile. You don't feel that? Philippians chapter 3, verse 13. It said, I forget those things that are behind. I look forward to the things. I press forward to the mark of the high calling. The Wafi Bible version. It said, we don't look and pass all those fake promises where APC give us. We dey wait for them for 2019. And go meet them. They must hear word. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11. It says, person wait. Okay, man. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11. Money gathered by usury shall diminish, but he that gathered by labor shall amass. The Wafi Bible version, it says, money where you gather through MMM will soon discharge, leave you. Those where the MMM will testify. You just wake up home and everything don't go. But if you face your hustle, you're going to get a lot steady. Another one, Psalm 137, verse 2. It said, they that took us captive, they required of us a song. But we said, how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? In Wafi Bible version, it said, the Evans people wake back chaos. They put us under pressure. They said, no, we sing for them. But we say, how we go sing in one corner for Baba God now?